don't let people tell you that your hair cannot grow. Your ancestors doesn't have hair. This don't let them tell you your hair cannot grow. I tell you, because if you listen to what people say, I bet you'll be like, oh, my grandmother doesn't have hair. My mother doesn't have hair. Even my father doesn't have hair. I don't even have hair. You can see, and it's affecting the gene. Please stop saying gene. I know it plays a role into hair growth, but don't say it's gene. What have you done to help your hair grow? What have you tried? Are you doing it the right way? These are the things you should ask yourself. Have I tried this? Have I tried that? Am I doing it the right way? These are the main things you should be asking yourself. Don't blame everything on genetics. Don't blame it at all. Just put it aside.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Who says black hair can't grow? Black girl's hair can grow if you follow these tips that I'm going to be giving you today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'll be giving you 3 good tips that you're going to follow for your hair growth journey. Stay tuned. All you need is water. The first thing you need is water for your hair growth journey. Water is a good thing. For example, when you have to run from one distance to the other, you need water, right? So when you get water, you use a spray bottle and then spray it around your hair. This will help your hair to get a bit damp, not wet, not too wet, because some people just go and take bottle and start spraying water and it will be dripping. No, you don't need to make the water drip on you. You just need to just spray the water in your hair, and it will feel a bit damp, not too much. Then afterwards, our next step will be you applying a leave-in conditioner. If you have watched this video up to this moment, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends, and leave a comment below. Thank you. Okay guys, so our next step is leave-in conditioner. You can get any leave-in conditioner in the market. It doesn't need to be expensive. You just get a leave-in conditioner that when you use it on your hair and you feel it's okay for your hair, you just use that. Any leave-in conditioner, whether it's cheap, whether it's expensive. Sometimes most of let me don't go there now. I will talk about that in our next video. For now, just get any leave-in conditioner. You can actually make yours if you want. I'm going to do that in our next video, how to make your own leave-in conditioner. So our third step is for you to seal in the moisture in your hair. You seal in the moisture in your hair by using oil, any carrier oil. It might be shea butter.
It can also be coconut oil, almond oil, castor oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, and so many other carrier oil out there.
A shea butter is like an oil to me. When you melt it, it's oil. You can use it to just seal in that the leave-in you've already applied. You just seal it in. Any product you apply your hair, you seal it in with oil. That will enable your hair, everything. In fact, it will help your hair to grow. Your hair to grow faster. Please don't think what you're doing is wrong. Your hair will not look dry and crispy. These are the 3 main tips that can help your hair to grow. I'm going to go through over again. Firstly, what you need is water. Secondly, you leave-in, and thirdly, you're going to need oil to seal in the moisture. That is the basic for your hair to thrive. Okay guys, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what to think about this. Thanks for watching. Bye.